Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is PureHEART. In this video, I'm going to do a quick one, top-down analysis on gold, right? So that we'll know whether we're going to be more bearish or more bullish coming next week. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment in the comment section, right? So without wasting your time, let's start, guys. As always, I'm going to start my analysis from the higher time frame, top-down analysis. And I keep saying top-down analysis is the only analysis you need, all right? So that you'll be able to know where you are in the market while trading down in the lower time frame. So we're going to start this analysis from the monthly time frame, right? So when you look at the monthly time frame, you agree with me that this guy gold is in an uptrend. Gold has been bullish for some time now, but let's look at this area currently where gold is on monthly time frame. This monthly time frame area, look at the past, this particular market where the price is. The first candle got to this side, drop, close as a shooting star. The second last 3-month candle also got to this point, drop again with a lot of rejection, right? With a lot of rejection, right? And then the last 2-month candle closed as an indecision. Then this new month candle started shooting bullish with a lot of momentum, and then gold got to this high again, got to this same height, and then we are seeing a lot of selling pressure, right? So this is the reason why we were buying, selling gold, especially this week, right? This week that just end. Okay, so now I'm seeing a lot of pressure coming, pushing this market from the monthly time frame down. All right. So in this wise, we may be going down bearish on gold in a lower time frame. So now we are going to get our clear information from the weekly time frame, the daily, and the H4 time frame. All right. So let's move to the daily time frame. I mean the weekly time frame, guys. So this is the weekly time frame. So when you look at the weekly time frame, you see this one is like this pattern for me, it is track C. It is track C patterns. Means that track C means that it is a reversal pattern, which means on the weekly time frame, gold may be heading down to this point. We may be going down bearish before we can also see another bullish movement. And also this pattern look like somehow like if not a head and shoulder. If you go to the higher time, I mean the line chart, you also see that it's kind of like a head and shoulder or a Quasimodo reversal, right? But when you come back to candlestick, because of this candle was when above this one to clear out this liquidity from this point here, to clear out this high, the previous high from the weekly, right? And then the market closed, the weekly closed with what? The weekly closed with last week closed with a shooting star. Look at the rejection. And then this week the market started dropping back back down bearish, right? So currently now on gold, where are we going? So we are going to see if this market is going to go back bullish or if we are going to continue coming back down. So for me, we are going to continue pushing down. We're going to continue the same move from gold, but we're going to see things clearly from the daily time frame and H4 time frame, like I said. So this is the day, and let's go to the daily. So from the daily time frame, guys, from the daily time frame, let me remove this one. From the daily time frame, if you look at this gold, currently gold is reacting from this past zone of sensitivity here. Is reacting from this past zone of sensitivity. So is gold going to start buying from here, or is gold going to continue selling? So for me, if you look at the daily, you will see that daily has already created a high, a low, a higher high, then lower low, right? So this rejection now, this rejection, I'm seeing it as a retracement. Gold is coming up and then continue going back down bearish, right? But we are going to see this movement clearly on the H4 time frame. So now let's go to H4. So if you look at the H4 time frame, you see that clearly on H4, it is giving us characteristics of what? Characteristics of a downtrend. So for me, I'm expecting gold to start selling from this point back down bearish. And if gold is to start selling, gold is going to sell all the way to this point here. It's going to sell all the way to this point because I said like go move from zone of sensitivity to another zone of sensitivity, right? So if gold, let's go back to the daily. If gold is to break this zone of sensitivity, let me put a line there. If gold is to break this zone of sensitivity here, the next zone that gold is going to if gold break this zone of sensitivity, the next zone is this one. This one here. The next zone is this one before we can have another serious buying movement from gold. But let's go back to the H4 time frame, which means that if gold is to start selling, guys, if gold is to start selling, gold is going to start selling. And then if gold break this low again, and then we are expecting gold to drop all the way to this point. So in this case, we'll be looking forward, we'll become more bearish than what? Than bullish. The only time we are going to start looking for bullish opportunity, right? If this zone of sensitivity on daily is strong enough to continue to push gold, the gold back bullish, means that we are only going to start looking for buying opportunity if gold is to breach this high. Remember, this is a high, this is a low, this is a low, right? This is a lower high, lower low, and then we're expecting another lower high somewhere here to go down bearish. But if gold is to go back up bullish, the gold have to break this high, this last lower high. The Dow theory has to be breached. This is the last lower high from here. This is the last lower high from here. So we want gold to continue to break this lower high. Then it's going to give us it's going to tell us that, okay, gold is ready to continue back up bullish. But for now, we are going to become what? We are going to become more bearish than bullish. We are going to become sell bias coming next week, right? So this is how to, this is my bias, or this is my analysis on gold coming next week. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. So looking at 1 hour time frame, so I'm expecting gold, you know, when gold, this is where we bought from here this Friday. So if we are going to be selling gold coming next week, look at how gold is moving. Started from here. This is a high, this is a low, right? This is a higher high, and then it may come here trying to form a lower low, and then it will get here. If gold continue forming, giving us this characteristic of an uptrend, we'll start looking for buying opportunity, right? If market continue like this. But then, for us to be sure that we are going to start selling gold coming next week also, we are going to follow the principles of the Dow theory. As soon as gold got to this point here, and then if they breach this low, you know, the Dow theory states that the market will continue to move in a specific direction until the positive structure breaks, right? So it means that if the market wants to continue going up, the market will not break this low, the higher low. So anything that will make the market to take out this low is a confirmation that that's continuous selling on gold from the H4 is you know, is going to happen. Then we start looking for selling opportunity back down bearish, right? So this is my analysis on gold. I believe you learn. So you can also start look at the chart and see if you will see the same thing I'm seeing, because I'm going to be my team sharpshooters group and we are going to be looking forward more bearish opportunities on gold than bullish. But it doesn't mean we are price action trader, right? I'm a price action sharpshooter. So sometimes if I said I'm going to be more bearish than bullish, it doesn't mean I will not take bullish opportunity when the market presents to me. So the only language that the market speaks is the price action. So the market is telling me right now, I'm about to buy, and I see that, okay, this buying is is worth it, right? Then I would decide to buy. Just like when we were selling gold this week, right? Selling gold this week. You can also see that we buy gold. We bought gold on Friday. Yeah, on Friday. Also here on Monday and on Tuesday, we were buyers on gold. It means that what we are trying to say is that if you look at where the trend start, we are more bearish than bullish, right? The only time we buy gold was just some few buys while more selling. So coming next week, if the market gives us reasons to go for a short buy, we can do that. But we are going to be what? We are going to be more bearish than bullish. We are going to be looking for bearish opportunity throughout next week to sell, right? So guys, thank you for watching this video, and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section, and also hit the like button and share my video. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. But before I go, I'll leave you with my quote, right? Like I keep saying, without devotion, there is no transformation, right? Without devotion, there is no transformation, guys. No matter what you are devoted to, whether it is ForeX, whether it is anything, no matter what you are devoted to, it is the quality of your devotion that will transform you. So stay devoted. Catch you in the next one.